Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging and it means that we have another review. So let's find out who this bag is from and what's inside. Alright, we have cross-stitch kits. Oh, I can get them out of the bag. I like this nice, what do you call it, bubble wrap bag. It's awesome. And it's kind of stiff enough that they can't bend things, so works for me. All right, let me take a look. Okay, these kits come from FGNormal, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right in here. So let's just start with the top one, and I'm just going to set this aside just so things don't get all screwed up. As you can see, it's a Joy Sunday kit. So let's find out what it looks like. Okay, I just love these bags. They are really durable and nice. Yes. Perfect. So let's see. All right, this is called Castles 13. It is a 14 count, 50 by 38, and it was $11.81. And I believe this is a new one because I hadn't seen it before I ordered it from here. But I think it's beautiful. It's nice and serene. You got the mountains, you got some trees that have some color. This beautiful castle in the middle of it all. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at this and see if they have 6 pages, so 6 sides of paper. Separated it out into, it's 231 by 168. Just lovely, and it's going to have some back stitching, as you can see. Now, down here we have 2 sets of keys. This top key goes to the paper pattern, and the bottom key goes to the canvas. But it looks like that's all the colors. Yeah, not. There are 51 colors. It has full cross stitch, and it has 5 colors in back stitch. So there's no half cross stitch, nothing like that. But you can see all the back stitching and where it needs to go in the canvas on that side and on this side. Sorry, my eyes are itching. I know, I must have like hay fever or some kind of allergy to something. The wind's been horrible. All right. Yeah, beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. And oh, I'm sorry. I lied. All these down here are half cross stitches. So that means usually your sky or some kind of shading. So it has full stitch. It has half stitch and back stitch. No French knots. Just absolutely a lovely array of colors. So there are 23 colors in half cross stitch. Let's flip this over just one more time. So most of that, like I said, is in the background there. Like the mountains, they're further away. But dang. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is going to be a piece of work. Let's see what colors we have. We have 310 black. Anything else I know of? We have 823, no 939, no 3371. We have that 3799, which is that pewter color. And B5200 as the white, and 3865 Down here, let's see if there's anything new or different. Total of 51 colors, though. Wow, this is weird. Okay, 51 colors it is. So let's, yeah. But you can see where there is a symbol with a line, that means half cross stitch. So part of this is in full cross stitch, and then and the mountains back here are all half cross stitches. So that kind of makes it go faster, but I just love the picture. Oh, gorgeous. Let's take a look what we got here. We have 2 thread cards, 2 needles. It's on the special cards that we've discussed a million times, I'm sure. Let me get it apart. We'll just start from this side. So we got blues, we got mauves, we got kind of a dark brick red. There's that, it looks like a charcoal, or they call it pewter. So, very pretty. Purples. Oh, 550 purple. There you go. Kind of a goldish tan, maybe. And some blues. Ah, for the sky. It's going to be gorgeous. I love blue. Did you know that? I love blue. Yeah. Okay, on this side we have browns. We have some more kind of a pale red violet. You know, it's got more red in it than total purple. Beautiful, beautiful colors. There's your 823. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. And greens. Just a wide variety. There went them scissors. Wide variety of colors. I just absolutely love it. It's kind of old world looking, if you will. Let's take a look at this canvas and hope it's gorgeous. Oh, it will be, right? See, it's not too big. Not too big at all. It's like a 16 by 20. No, that can't be that big. It is serged all the way around. Let's take a look and see what we got here. So it is 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches by a little under 15 inches or 38 centimeters. Actual is 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters. And this way it is 16.5 inches or 42 centimeters. Very nicely printed. All that back stitching is going to make this puppy just good. Good, good, good. Now, let's look at there's no dampness, so this has never gotten wet. But nice big key. I'd say they're about a 1/2 inch, you know, each little section. But very easy to see all the symbols. Now, let me fold this. And you can see that. Oh, it's just lovely. And this part of the key is your half cross stitch over here. And on this side, you have all your back stitching. So, very beautiful. Just absolutely stunning. I love this. I kind of like castles. All right, let's look at the second one. If I can get the bag open, we'll have it made, right? Another Joy Sunday lovely bag. Ugh. Come out of there, puppy. All right, let's turn this over. Is that not gorgeous? Now it says brothel ESP in Yon Theater. Okay. Seriously, guys, it's a castle with fireworks. We're just going to not worry about this part, right? But is that not beautiful? Look at all those colors. It is 34 by 48, 14 count. Looks like a partial, but I can't tell until I actually see the canvas. But just gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I just thought it was different. Didn't know it was going to be called that because, no, it just said Landscape Castle on the side. I can understand why they put that. It is 150 stitches wide by 219 stitches high. And let's flip this over. So, oh my God. Can you see the back stitching? Oh dear. Okay, just breathe. Just breathe. All right, we have a total of, looks like 52 colors. You have one color in back stitch, which is 310 black. Okay. But you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 14 colors in half cross stitch and 42 colors in full cross stitch. You have the symbols for the paper pattern on top and the symbols for the canvas on the bottom, just like the last one. Let's see what colors we have. We have 154 mulberry, 310 black, no 823, no 939, no 3371. We have no, that's 3772. Never mind. And B5200, I'm not seeing any 3865. So yeah, this is a little bit different. So that's all that's on that page. You have that, and then you have that. I'm not seeing any part where it's broke down. So the whole thing is, this is the top. Look at all the fireworks. Oh my goodness. And the background is all half cross stitch, like behind the fireworks in the castle. Yeah, where you see that blue symbol, that's all half cross stitch. Oh my word. But look at the back stitching. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Yeah. And then the rest of it is down here. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. It reminds me of the Disney castle. It's just, you know, it's more colorful than the Disney castle. But I like the fireworks in the background. All the colors in the castle itself. Let's take a look and see if it leads up to its expectations here. So we have 2 cards, 2 needles. Comes on the special cards again. Look at the blues, dark blue, light blue, medium blue, yellows, kind of a, I'll call it a rusty orange. You know, it's more like a yellow orange than straight orange. Purples, no, there's no 550 in it. We have teals. This is that pewter color, 3799. I can't remember that number, I swear. And then over here, we have greens, more purple. There's your mulberry and your 310 black. So there are a few lighter colors that they're using because there's no B5200 or 3865. Oranges, greens, just every color of the rainbow. Let me put them together. Just absolutely stunning, stunning, stunning colors. Drilling again. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm going to run out of saliva if I drool like this, and the pattern will be gone. Yeah. You get that wet and church is going to be out. Okay, so this is up and down. At the top, you have the name and the product numbers. And on the side, you have how big it is stitch-wise. It is a full coverage. Oh, it's going to be stunning. Just stunning. You have your, what is that? Your back stitching. These are all your half cross stitches. And the 42 colors here. I don't see, that's what I don't understand. It goes to 42 colors like full stitch. And then over here, you get 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and 52. So, just beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful. I can hardly wait to work on this. Just gorgeous. It is serged all the way around, if I forgot to say that, you know, in the middle of all my drooling. Love this picture. All right, it is a little bit over 47.5 centimeters or 18 3/4 inches by 34.5 centimeters or 13.5 inches. Actual picture size is 10 3/4 inches or 27.5 centimeters by, so it's bigger than 11 by 14. It's longer. It's 15 3/4 inches or 40 centimeters. But it is just going to be absolutely to die for. It'll just be lovely. Just absolutely lovely. Very well printed. Let me move it up as I go. Just interesting. I mean, there's lots of interest in this. Lots of beautiful colors. I frankly have no clue where I would even start this. I don't know. I want to do the castle, and then on the other hand, I want to do the fireworks. Yeah. And then I want to do the ground. It'll be it'll be one of those things that you just can't figure out until you do. All right, that is all I got from FGNormal. Thank you, FGNormal, for these two gorgeous, gorgeous kits. I love them both. It'll be a toss-up as to what the Stitch With Me this afternoon at 1 o'clock is going to be. We'll see. Now, FGNormal does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And they also have beaded cross stitch, scrapbooking, wood felt, paper quilling, wax sealing, and silk screen stencils. And they do custom and diamond painting and paint by number as well. So do check them out. They always have a wide variety and great prices. And we should be coming into like fall sales, that kind of thing. So check them out. You won't be sorry. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.